All Things Gingerbread, hosted by Simply Becky DIY. Links to Becky's channel and the playlist will be in the description box. Gingerbread. Let's get crafting. Okay, so this is just my ornament sign from Dollar Tree, and I've already painted this with Apple Barrel matte white paint. And I have these beautiful window clings. These are just so adorable. So let's just go ahead and see about where we want to set them up, and then I'll add Mod Podge. With the positioning set, I added Mod Podge to the back of each of the window clings so they could be adhered to the ornament sign. Then I used my Mod Podge squeegee just to work out any of the air bubbles and make sure that the window clings were laying as flat as possible to the ornament. Then I removed the decorative metal piece from the front so that I could apply it to the back side, and I did end up having to move the word joy down just a little bit so that it could be seen underneath the metal piece. And then I added some hologram extreme glitter from Folk Art in between all of my window cling pieces so it would look like it was really covered in sugar and really give a gingerbread Candyland type effect to this sign. And then just to give a little embellishment to the sign, I'm adding this peppermint look yarn just to go all the way around the edge of the ornament. This gingerbread ornament sign turned out so cute. This will be a great addition to our Candyland theme that we have going on right now. Tell me, what do you think of this gingerbread ornament? Our host, Simply Becky DIY, is such a talented creator and such a sweetheart. Please go over and check out her channel for some fantastic DIY inspiration. Right, I have this welcome sign from Dollar Tree with this like faux wood look, and some paper crafting wooden gingerbread men from Hobby Lobby. And I found this really cute tissue paper with the gingerbread men like soaking in the hot cocoa, and I thought this would be so cute to deco onto the back of this and then add my cute little gingerbread men. So let's do that. And it does have a hanger. Looks like some little nails, but I think this can be popped out. Yeah. And the size of these, let's see, I wonder if I could peel this up and reuse this welcome. That would be nice. It's all chipboard. Probably not. Add a little black paint. Let's see. Maybe. So let's get our paper decoupage. And then I applied just a generous amount of Mod Podge to the backing of the sign, and then I applied my tissue paper on top and smoothed it out with my fingers, and then used my Mod Podge squeegee just a little. I didn't want to rip the paper because it gets, you know, the wrinkles will pop up and you want to smooth it out, but the more you touch it, like it gets thinner and thinner. So I wanted it smooth, but I was so afraid that I was going to rip it that I didn't want to overdo it. And then I just went over it with the rest of the Mod Podge that was left in the brush. Okay, with this dry, let's get this situated back on here. Take my guys here, and they already have a sticky back. And I'll just alternate them with red and green. And then using the last bit of this glitter peppermint stripe ribbon, I'm going to make a small bow, and I just glue the ends together. And then I took a small piece of wire tie to cinch in the middle, and then I just hot glued it to the top, and that was the finishing touch for this. And with my bow added, that's it for this sign. This turned out so adorable. This is gonna look great by my coffee maker in my kitchen. This was a lot of fun participating in this gingerbread challenge. I hope you enjoyed, and please enjoy the playlist.